Hi, I'm Steve, the owner of Vero Linens, and in today's video, we are going to give you some tips on the best way to launder your terry bath towels. Now, laundering towels is pretty straightforward for the most part, but there are some things that you can do that are going to make the towels look a little bit nicer for a longer period of time and keep them soft and absorbing. So let's start off with the washing cycle. The first thing you're going to want to do is utilize a mild detergent. Detergents like Dreft or Ivory are very, very nice detergents. LeBlanc Linen Wash is an excellent detergent. It contains no caustic chemicals and it's specifically formulated for cotton products. Many of the detergents that you find, the well-recognized brands contain brighteners. Brighteners are bleach derivatives, and those bleaches are hard on the cotton itself, and they will aid in fading colored towels much more quickly. Another thing we like to do is every couple of weeks add half a cup of quarter cup to a half cup of baking soda in the wash. This keeps the towels smelling fresh and keeps them looking nice and bright. When you're laundering colored towels for the first time, consider throwing some vinegar in the wash, about a half a cup. The vinegar will help set the color and slow down the fading process. In addition to that, if you find that your towels are looking a little bit dingy, it's possible that you've built up a residue in the towel itself, and this will, the detergent residue and the vinegar will strip them out. So with regard to the detergent, we recommend pulling back a little bit on the amount of detergent. Consider that when you hop out of the shower, you're for the most part pretty clean. And so, towels just don't get that dirty. But if you're putting too much detergent in the laundry itself, it's not going to rinse out properly. It's going to coat the fiber and the towels may pick up an odor and start to look dingy. So pull back on a detergent, maybe 10 to 15%. As we stated earlier, no bleach. Another thing you're going to want to avoid are fabric softeners in the wash cycle or the dryer sheets in the dry cycle. Those dryer sheets or softening products will coat the towels and make them less absorbent. With regard to water temperature, consider a cool to a medium temperature that will, aid in keeping your towels softer, and the high heat can make them shrink and damage the fiber. So consider a cool to a medium water temperature. Don't overload the wash machine. Overloading the wash machine will impede the rinsing of that product, and they won't get as clean. And again, you want to rinse all that detergent out in the rinse cycle. Now, when it comes to the dry cycle, you're going to want to use a cool to a medium setting. And you are not going to want to over dry your towels nor let them sit in the bottom of the dryer for an extended period of time. So when the dry cycle is complete, pull them out, fold them up. If you don't, the high heat, if you use high heat or you let them set in the dryer, the high heat can make the cotton fibers brittle and scratchy. In addition to that, you may find with some towels, those that have that decorative band, that band shrinks a little bit differently than the terry portion of the towel, and you can end up with your towels looking like this. Now, when looking to purchase new towels, we recommend 100% cotton. There's a lot of towels in the market that are a cotton poly blend. Those don't absorb as well as an all 100% cotton towel will. In addition, we always kind of recommend, if possible, avoiding the dark colored towels. They fade significantly, over time, and they just don't look as nice as when they were brand new. But I know a lot of people like the colored towels, or the darker towels in their bathrooms, but it's just something to give some consideration to. Anyways, if you have any questions, as always, give us a call, send us an email. We're happy to assist. Thank you.